Before you make the decision to purchase Hostinger's web hosting services, there are a few things you need to know. While Hostinger has built a reputation for offering affordable and reliable web hosting solutions, it's important to weigh its pros and cons, especially when compared to other top-tier providers like Bluehost and SiteGround. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether Hostinger is the right fit for your website. First thing to consider, Hostinger is well known for its budget-friendly prices. If you're looking for an entry-level hosting solution, you'll find their plans to be significantly cheaper than many competitors. For example, their shared hosting plan starts at just a few dollars a month, making it an attractive option for beginners or those on a tight budget. However, this low cost comes with some trade-offs, so let's dive into the next thing you need to know. Next thing, Hostinger has a fast setup process. With its one-click installs, setting up WordPress or any other CMS is straightforward. This is a big plus for anyone new to web hosting, and it puts Hostinger ahead of some competitors who can have more complex setup procedures. But ease of use doesn't always mean the best overall performance, so let's talk about speed and uptime. The third thing to keep in mind is Hostinger's speed and uptime. Hostinger offers impressive uptime guarantees, with their service running at around 99.9%, which is competitive with the industry standard. Speed is also solid, thanks to their use of Lightspeed technology and servers that are strategically placed around the world. However, while it's great for the price, it might not always match the top-tier performance you'd get from pricier competitors, like SiteGround. The fourth thing, customer support. Hostinger's support is available 24/7, which is a huge plus, but it's important to note that some customers have reported mixed experiences. The support team is quick to respond, but for more technical issues, it can sometimes take a while to get in-depth assistance. Compared to other providers like Bluehost, which is known for its premium support, Hostinger might not always provide the same level of service for complex needs. Fifth thing to consider, hosting options. Hostinger offers a wide range of hosting solutions, from shared hosting, VPS, to cloud hosting, all with the option to upgrade as your website grows. If you're planning on starting small but want to scale later, Hostinger makes it easy to do so without switching providers. This flexibility is something that sets them apart from more niche competitors. The sixth thing is the control panel. Hostinger uses its custom-built control panel, which is more intuitive than some other web hosts that rely on cPanel. It's streamlined for simplicity, especially if you're a beginner, but it might feel limiting if you're used to the robust features of cPanel. Seventh thing, backups. Hostinger offers free backups on their plans, but they're limited to a specific time frame, meaning you may not be able to restore backups from the exact date you need. Some competitors like SiteGround offer daily backups as part of their service, making this an area where Hostinger could improve. Eighth, let's talk about security. Hostinger provides essential security features like SSL certificates, firewalls, and protection against DDoS attacks. But if you're running a high-security website, you might need to implement additional security layers. When compared to other top-tier hosts, Hostinger's security features are standard, so it might not be as robust as you'd find with some premium services. The ninth thing, scalability. While Hostinger does offer VPS and cloud hosting, if you plan to scale your site significantly, their infrastructure might fall short compared to other providers like SiteGround, which are known for better long-term performance at higher scales. 10th, the website builder. Hostinger's drag-and-drop website builder is a strong feature for those who don't have coding experience, allowing you to quickly create a website. However, it's not as powerful or flexible as website builders offered by other providers like Wix or Squarespace, which offer more advanced design options. The 11th thing is the free domain. Hostinger gives you a free domain for the first year with their hosting plans, which can save you some money up front. But once that year is over, you'll need to renew it, which can get pricier than expected. Finally, pricing. Hostinger's low initial prices are definitely attractive, but it's important to watch out for renewal rates. Once the initial period ends, renewal prices can rise significantly. This isn't unique to Hostinger, as most hosting companies do this, but it's something to keep in mind when budgeting long term. So, is Hostinger